I'm so excited to come on today because look what I got. Oh, so pretty. The new Nomad Ireland Wild Atlantic Way. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. Comes with a little postcard. Super cute. Welcome to a meandering coastal journey full of towering cliffs, verdant hills, and tempestuous seas as we adventure along Ireland's wild Atlantic Way. Stretching from the wind-whipped north to the balmy beauty of the south, this route has sweeping views of untamed lands and unspoiled beaches, dotted throughout with charming, colorful villages. Escape, explore, and enjoy this spectacular destination Oscar Wilde described as a savage beauty. The palette, verdant wild beauty, a spectrum of Irish greens from soft moss and lush bogs to emerald gems and rich glens, sprinkled with sea blues and neutral touches of limestone, peat, and golden flowering plants. 11 grand mats and 7 splendid shimmers, inspired by the untamed and dramatic beauty of Ireland's west coast. The cause: we are proud to support Irish Wildlife Trust that works to raise awareness of Ireland's rich natural heritage and protect it for future generations. Okay, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Ooh, it's velvety. Oh, that feels nice. And the back. Here she is. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I can't decide what to use first. We'll start with priming my eyes. I'm using the Milani eye primer. Just put that all over the lids and up to the brow. Second prime with the Lunan Aster, like always. This helps cover my discoloration, any veins on the eyelids, and even out the skin tone to make a good base for that eyeshadow. I wanted to try it with my normal routine so that way I can really see how the shadows perform. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild translucent powder and set that eye primer. Okay, now we'll start with a eye-catching crease brush by MOTD, and I am going to go in with this light green here, Malin Head. We're going to put that in the crease just as a transition up high. Make sure it blends out well. All right, just color switch that brush. Then we'll go in with, I think we'll go with this Wild Rover. That looks like a really pretty green. Into the crease. Bring it up a little bit into that transition color. Good pigment. Blends out nice. I'm going to get a little packer brush, pigment packer, again, MOTD. I love their brushes. They're really good. I'm going to go into this Bunratty Castle. We're going to put that on the outer edge. Build that up a little more. Not quite as deep as I thought it would be, but it's pretty. That up a little bit into that green in the crease. I'm going to put this one below my lash line. They're really soft mats, and they blend nicely. Let's go in with Dhuit. Again, butchering the pronunciation. I'm going to do a finger on this eye, just in the middle here. Oh, that's pretty. Kind of build that up a little bit. I'm going to try this little flat brush and see how it does with the brush. Seems to do just as good. Yeah, builds up nice. See that? And I'm going to take this Savage Beauty and put that in the inner corner. I just color switched the brush. That one doesn't quite do enough with the brush. Let's try the finger. There we go. That's better. It feels a little dry, but the pigment's nice. I'm going to take this little pointy brush again and go into that green. Just do, man, that one goes on good with the brush. Just under the mid. That's pretty. I like that color. I think I'm going to take it a little further to the corner. There we go. That one is very, very pretty. I guess I'll try this Blarney stone and see if I can deepen up that outer corner a little bit. I was going to do brown, but it just didn't show up quite as much as I wanted. That's nice. Just using that pigment packer. That's better. A little bit of a monochromatic look. Color switch that and blend out that lower lid. That is pretty, pretty. Look at those colors. I'm going to use the Prestige eyeliner, waterproof, in 04 Smoky Green. And I'm going to do the waterline at the upper lid. Just about halfway. Now I'm going to take this Milani Stay Put eyeliner in Gold Digger. And we're going to put that on the lower lash line. Okay, let's put on some Pat McGrath. Second coat. I'm going to try this Kevin Aquan, the curling mascara, on the lower lashes. Now I'm going to take that same brush I used to set. It's a Real Techniques by Sam and Alec. And I'm just going to blend out that very top line just to make sure it fades well. And I'm putting the pressure just below the brow. If you see, this tip comes to a little point, putting that point right below the brow. And I'm not pressing very hard at all. And that's the final eye look from the new Nomad palette. Ireland's Wild Atlantic Way. I think it performed very well. I'm really enjoying the mattes. Green is one of my favorite colors. Anyway, I'm definitely going to be playing with this palette more. So stay tuned. I've got more eye looks coming. Y'all have a great day.